We're at 3017 15th Avenue South, pulling back from City Main through pulled toilet in the basement. Around 25 feet, we do have a broken cast iron pipe. The bottom of the pipe is missing, so we'll focus that on the way back. But we're starting the pullback right now from about 75 feet, City Main. So right around here, you'll start to see that the bottom of the pipe is severely compromised. Obviously, there's not much pipe here. Completely broken. We're just kind of gliding through the dirt for several feet. We will have a project manager out to follow up with steps to move forward.